Here we are with the market minute for April 2020. Good afternoon, good evening. I hope everybody's staying safe and most definitely staying your distance and taking the necessary precautions as we deal with this pandemic that's going around. So as we came into the month, of course, the data showed that sales were up 17%, prices was up 17% from March of 2019 compared to March of 2020. Now that we've been through April, a full month in the pandemic, what does the number show? The number shows that the sales volume is down. It is contracting. There are fewer homes went on the market in April than went on the market in April last year. But for prospective sellers, for active sellers, and for the buyers who need to take heed is that the sales prices are up 26%. Sales prices for 2020 is up 26% compared to April of last year. So in the middle of in the pandemic, with the layoffs and with the furloughs and everything that we're dealing with the pandemic, home prices still continue to rise. Of course, it's because of the supply and demand dynamic. In addition to that, the median sales price of homes is up 31%. So all key indicators are moving, of course, as we enter the buying season, which we're in, even though we're dealing with a pandemic, that the home prices are still rising at an extremely fast pace compared to this time last year, specifically April 2019 and April 2020. Now, for those that are looking to buy move-up homes, the homes that are priced over the $300,000 price range, those home prices are up roughly 36% compared to year over year. So even with that being said, the sales prices are still continues to rise, even with, people being furloughed, people being laid off, the lending guidelines changing almost daily, that those strong borrowers that are looking to get in the move up homes, you have to, of course, be in a different position, but those prices are still going up as well. And what shocked me more so than any other data that I've already highlighted is that the luxury homes sales compared to April of 2019 and April 2020 are up 300%. Yes, 300%. So the market is trending in the right direction. As a buyer, do you want to wait? Is it something that, you need to do in terms of making a decision for you and your family? Are you going to miss out? Interest rates are really low. So what do? Do you wait it out to kind of see, is it going to be an abundance of foreclosure going into the fall, late summer, or run the risk of paying an even higher premium down the road for the same house? I'll get into that more in my next video. Of course, click the link in the bio, go to my YouTube channel where I'll be able to kind of hash out and kind of, have a fireside chat specifically dealing with how we're going to deal with as a buyer and even as a seller. Do you want to wait it out into the pandemic? Of course, I understand that people have health issues that they don't necessarily want people in the home, or on the buying side, you just don't want to be interacting in people's home that may have had or may have the virus. And so those key indicators that you want to have to keep in mind. But with that being said, all the numbers for April of 2020 are trending upwards in terms of the market. Again, any question that you may have, hit me up in the DM. Of course, you can always send me a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Thanks.